Hi, so today I want to show you macro that I created to renumber a bunch of strings that have the suffix of a number. So the idea is that this string should be renamed so that the number is in consecutive order. So the first instance should be marked with 1, the second with 2, and etc. until they're all in consecutive order. So I created a macro for this called the renumber, and it uses this other macro that was not created by me but by a fellow Silicated user, um, and I'm also attaching the file that includes the code um, for selecting a current word. So what it basically does is that it initiates this variable not found, and iLoop is going to keep track of the number of words that we find, and is going to search for whatever text we have selected, um, and when it finds it, it's going to replace the last character, which is going to be an integer, um, with whatever the value of iLoop is. So it'll keep incrementing until it finds no more words. And so this macro should replace the last digit of those words with the value of the loop variable. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this macro. Okay, and then once I have selected this, the entire word, I can then execute my macro. I have not set a hotkey for it. I just simply call it by its command name. And oh, okay, never mind. I think it's still looking for that procedure. So then I need to load my friend's procedure as well. And to do that, I just go to his procedure as well, and then I load that module as well. Okay. Then now let's see if that works. So I select what I want to do. I think I have to select the entire word, and then I do my renumber. Oh, actually no, I have to select only the prefix, and then it renumbers them. This can be a pretty nifty tool. I want to see what it looks like when we put it on the SlickC debugger. So to do that, I go to Macro, Start SlickC debugger, and I'm going to go to wherever this is. Here we go. So then open renumber, and then we want to look at the renumber. So then I set up a breakpoint here. To see what happens when I execute that. So I'm going to revert my changes here and try calling the macro again. So then I will call my renumber, and so it begins looping through this. What's interesting here is that we get the text is supposed to be a string. And once we have that text, we can search it. I wonder if I can see this as it is. Char. No. Yeah, I don't know how to get it to show the text, show the string value of the text. Maybe someone that also sees this video can tell me how to do that. So once, my understanding is that this is going to take the text, whatever's in the text variable, and it's supposing that there is an integer that follows it, and then it's going to replace whatever it finds in that format, that sort of regular expression format, and if it finds one at least, it's going to start replacing, and it's going to replace whatever is in the integer value with whatever the value is for the loop variable. So if we continue stepping over, we can see that it finds an instance of text first, and then it's going to start replacing it with the iLoop value. Anyway, this is, I think it's a kind of a handy macro. I wanted to share it, so hopefully it's useful to you. Let me know if you find ways to improve this, or other changes that may also be applied. Thank you.